Gardenquake tiller, I didn't have a lot of experience, but it was easy to use and it got the job done quick. Previously, when I used front-tine tillers, it shook my body and made my arms hurt every time I used them. But using the Gardenquake, it was a smooth operation, no moving around, no jostling. It was a great product.
I've never used a garden tiller before, so I was a little intimidated to use the Gardenquake. However, it was, again, easy for me to maneuver. I'm not as physically strong as my husband, but I had no problem tilling up the ground. The ground I was digging up was very hard, and I was surprised at how smooth and easy the Gardenquake was to rip through that hard ground.
The Gardenquake tiller is a commercial grade tiller, great for at-home jobs, but also great for landscapers and contractors to use on a job site. I'd highly recommend it.